Hi everyone, welcome to Bosch Appliance Care. I'm Kenny, your Appliance Care Specialist. Today I'll be showing you some of the maintenance tips and tricks when using your dishwasher. It's important to take good care as well as to learn the correct maintenance tips to actually prolong the lifespan of your appliance. Firstly, let me show you how to put the dishwashing tablet as well as the rinse aid. Just remove one tablet and then put it here. Then we can close it. This area is for the rinse aid. Let me show you where is the salt compartment. In Singapore, we hardly use this as the water is considered soft. Before you put your dishes in the dishwasher, be sure to remove all food remnants. Now let me show you how to arrange your dishes in the dishwasher. Make sure your dishes are dishwasher safe. Just to make sure that it doesn't affect the water jet when in operation, so we can actually adjust the height. So as you can see now that the water jet, it doesn't hit any dishes. Let me share with you how to arrange the pots as well as your dishes in the dishwasher. For big pots like this, you have to make ample space, so you have to lower down the spikes. Make sure that your pot is concave and then facing down, so the water doesn't get collected during washing. Your dessert plates, you can put it here in the flowing direction of the spikes. Coming on to the second drawer, we can actually put our bowls, our glasses, as well as our wine glass. We have a dedicated wine glass right here. We also have a compartment for putting your cutleries. For those dishwasher that doesn't have a cutlery compartment, you have a cutlery basket. Then we are good to go. There are some items that we don't load into the dishwasher, like bone china, aluminium, cast iron casseroles, as well as all wooden items. Do remember to remove the drain pump and empty after each use. Remove the filter compartment and rinse it under running water. Make sure to flush all these food remnants from the filter. Make sure when fitted in, the arrow is on the lower corner on the left, and then you can turn it to fasten. Arrow to arrow is means lock. Many customers do not know how to clean their dishwasher, leaving it poorly maintained with a bad odor. Here we have 3 key products for our dishwasher. Firstly, we have our quick descaler. This can be used once every year. It actually helps to remove limescale deposit in the inner wall as well as the hose. Next, we have our machine cleaner. It comes with 3 sachets in the packet. So 1 sachet to be used every 3 months. It mainly removes the grease, protein deposit, as well as bad odor. Lastly, we have our dishwasher care. It can be used every 2 months for regular maintenance. Let me show you how to use it. Firstly, remember to remove all plates and cutleries. Remove the seal and then overturn. For those who have a cutlery basket, you can actually insert in the compartment here and then push it in. For those of you who don't have the cutlery basket, you can actually remove the label sticker and then stick it on one of the spikes. We can close and then we can on the machine. Set it to machine care. For those machines that don't have machine care function, you can set it approximately at 65 degrees and then press start. Next is our machine cleaner. So it's a one-time use. Just simply tear open the sachet. Okay, empty the entire content into the detergent compartment. And then we can close. Similar to dishwasher care, you can run these at least 65 degrees or select the machine care function. Next, we have our quick descaler. Set it to machine care or set it approximately at 65 degrees. After 30 minutes into the program, open the dishwasher, beware of the steam. Empty the content into the dishwasher. Close the dishwasher and press start. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you have learned something from this video. See you again.